So this is our room for the Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. We have a parking lot view, I think. So come follow along and take a tour. It's a standard room. 2 queen beds. Right here you have the bathroom. It's got double sinks. All the switches are on a dimmer, which is kind of nice. So you can dim that main mirrored light there. You've got a shower tub combo with a rain shower, which I'm very excited about. I also love the picture with Chip and Dale. It's so cute. You've got a pocket door here for privacy. Got a closet over here. Some storage. It looks like there's a safe in there. You've got your mini fridge tucked away in here. Keep all those snacks nice and fresh. You got your Keurig and your coffee. Got a desk with a nice little light here. Got a little dresser. You have your TV behind you. You have those 2 queen beds with another adorable mural there with Chip and Dale. Now, fun fact, here's how you tell the difference. Dale, Chip. Chip has the nose that looks like a chocolate chip cookie. And then Dale has the red nose because he's the clown. Always getting into trouble. And then you have your couch and a nice little chair over there. And then here is our view. And you have a cute little table for, if I can open the door. Shh, don't tell. Table for 2. So we're going to take a look at this mural over here. They remind me a little bit of the birds from Snow White and Cinderella. Continues with that theming of those orange groves. And this one looks more like a vineyard to me. So that's the room here. This is a standard room at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. I hope you enjoyed the tour.